Ok, di. So voye bam la. Na go boat sa. So voye bam na go boat sa. Ba mouvel pou mwen. Sal voye bam la. Mwen kon dom pa bon. So avon bagay. Ou ta voye non boat kem ka ouve pitit. Sal voye bam la. So voye bam la chérie. Oh my God. That is a bike for Verwan's birthday. Verwan! Ok, di, mbo le geta de. Bon, koman fe achete bisiklet sa pou voye? Kado koze, mesye? Pou moun kap vive Haiti? Oh my gosh, you are lovable. Verwan! Hurry up, come. Hurry, I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise for Verwan. Hurry up! I can't believe this guy. My gosh.
What are you doing?
Verwan, hurry up. Verwan, really? Come on, V, come on. Yes, you washing your face, you heard surprise.
Yeah.
Come. You got a gift.
Hey. Stop.
From all the way from Haiti. Come on, let's go. You want to see what it is? I thought it was for me. He sent it, but no, it's for you. Come on.
That's it?
Yep, I just opened it. And look what's inside.
What's that? Is that a bike?
A bike.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a one-wheel bike. Is that it?
A one-wheel bike?
Yeah, I don't know. Yes. Those little things you roll on. This is crazy. Oh, it's like a scooter, V.
Oh, it's a scooter.
It's a scooter bike. You don't want to say thank you?
Thank you.
Go look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, D.
Thank you. This is cool.
I know, right?
How do you ride this thing anyways?
We're going to find out. We're going to put it together and write it. We're going to find out. Here, trying to cut the papers around it. This is what?
This is one of my favorite colors too.
This is one of your favorite colors?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So he got it right, right?
Blue. Yeah.
He got it right. D, you're amazing. You crazy.
This is cool.
I know. Saying this is cool.
It's amazing.
It is amazing.
Yeah.
Right? You like it?
Yes.
Yes, I love it, mommy. And this gift, from all the way from Haiti. How thoughtful.
That's a long way too.
That's a long way, I know.
How are you gonna cut this?
You can cut it, yeah. Just hold, keep your hand straight. Let me help you.